There's only one pure Bitcoin play on the stock market, and I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. I'm
suing. Man, I'm suing. I don't think I rich today. Okay? Stop sticking your hand in the jar. You get, man, listen. I'm not, I told you yesterday, I was out of selling the call business. So I'm going to talk about real, actual investing and trading strategy. But I just can't.
Welcome back to the Long Road to Profit. This is your host, JR. First things first, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Anything that I talk about on this program is for entertainment purposes only. And if you choose to make a financial decision based on that, you do so at your own risk. My advice, talk to a financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. Man, Bitcoin going ham again, 52K today. That's crazy. I've been in Bitcoin a long time. So it's great to see it moving. But one thing that I've been concerned about is that I'm watching a lot of people on CNBC and financial news networks talk about how you as an investor don't need to buy Bitcoin directly because you can play it through PayPal or Square or now Tesla. You can buy these companies. You don't have to get Bitcoin. Well, hold on a second. First of all, I've been watching. I own Square, I own PayPal, and I own Bitcoin, okay? There is not a corollary effect in the valuation of Bitcoin to any of those stocks. And if you are an investor who has not made the jump and got into Bitcoin yet, there's only one pure Bitcoin play on the stock market, and I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. RIOT. That's it. If you want to own Bitcoin and you want a direct corollary effect to the rise in Bitcoin price, that's the only stock that I use. So lots of people on financial news want to tell you about PayPal and they want to tell you about Square, and they want to tell you about IBM, and they want to tell you about Tesla and all these companies that own either some infrastructure around crypto or they may be directly invested into Bitcoin like Tesla did. But there's not a direct effect on Bitcoin to Tesla stock price. Tesla has a whole company, a whole auto manufacturing facility or multiple auto manufacturing facilities, a whole different set of circumstances around it. So why would you buy Tesla if you wanted to invest in Bitcoin? Either you buy Bitcoin direct or you buy Riot. Because pretty much since I've been watching Riot, when Bitcoin goes up, Riot goes up. When Bitcoin goes down, Riot goes down. Riot was up 25%. Right now, it seems like the moves in Riot are bigger than the moves in Bitcoin. But that cuts both ways, right? So that means Bitcoin could be down 5% tomorrow. Maybe Riot's down 25%. So, I mean, you have to size yourself accordingly when the market changes. And maybe 5 years from now, it won't be the case. Although Riot is the only true pure, crypto play in the stock market to me. There are some smaller OTC stocks that I'm just not going to mess with. But I do like, Riot as a pure Bitcoin play. And full disclosure, I own it. So before you get confused or distracted, or invested into a company that you really only wanted to get Bitcoin, but you bought something else. And that's not to say that Square and PayPal and IBM aren't great companies. I own 2 of the 3, Square and PayPal. But I don't buy them because I want Bitcoin. When I buy Bitcoin, I'm either buying it direct or I'm buying it through Riot. So, stay informed as you build your portfolio on the long road to profit, trying to make sure that you get all of your ends. This has been your host, JR. We're going to catch you next time. I appreciate y'all stopping through. Make sure you don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you got something from this video, stay on this long road with me.